Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Darius Graphics. If you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I release a new video. Um so today we're going to be discussing on the issue of backgrounds as a digital artist, a beginner digital artist. So for me, I faced so many challenges during my time of learning. When I was a beginner, I do face challenges in figuring out what kind of background would be suitable for me to use on my artworks. So I don't think it's necessary for a beginner artist to channel his energy and channel his mindset on knowing how to get a better background. Instead, I would advise you as a beginner artist, or anyone watching this video as a beginner artist, to just focus on getting a good character with good perspective, getting a good character, a well-structured artwork, than focusing on the background. It's better to leave it white than adding more colors that will distract you from focusing on whether you've done the character or the painting you're doing, whether you've done your project well or not. So I think it's kind of distracting focusing on trying to get a better background that will match your artworks. So it's better for you to just relax and focus on learning how to sketch, learning how to shade perfectly. Even though you can't get it 100% perfect, you can still work on getting it towards 95%. And instead of you channeling your energy in knowing how to make backgrounds, it's better for you to channel it on how to shade and sketch and develop yourself as an artist. I know that making backgrounds too is also part of being an artist, but as a beginner that shouldn't be a problem. You can simply just put any of your artworks on white background and save it like that. I would advise you to just, after you're done with your artwork, I would advise you to just apply in a white background or just a plain background to your artworks, just to avoid distraction. So when you're done learning how to shade, at least if you know you are not having any issue in anything like shading or blending or sketching, now you can still go back to knowing how to make backgrounds. I think that's the best option to do. Instead of channeling your energy so early to backgrounds, I would advise you to make it come later. After you're done learning how to sketch and after you're done learning how to paint, then channel that same energy to learning how to make backgrounds, and I think it will be much more easier for you to figure out what you want as a background. Instead of doing it earlier, just channel it later after you're done with knowing how to sketch and knowing how to paint. So this is the advice I would advise. This is the only thing I'm going to be talking about in this video. So that's out of my experience. I think the concentration of beginner artists should be basically on sketching, shading, and knowing how to render and add textures to paintings. I think those are the three basic stuffs that you need to know first as an artist, knowing how to sketch one, knowing how to shade, knowing how to use colors too are included, and how to use textures too are included. Then later you can still consider knowing how to use backgrounds and knowing how to apply backgrounds and the rest. So yeah, so don't channel your energy much on making backgrounds. You can just better still use a white background or any plain background on your artwork, which is fine. So that's all for today's video. If this video was helpful, click on the like button and give it a thumbs up, and click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Then if you are having questions related to this video or any previous video I've made on this channel, you can also ask me some questions in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer. See you in my next video. Bye.